Hi everyone, Inday Banitni is here. So today I'm going to cook chicken casserole with scallop potato with a homemade sauce that I have. So finally I'm already putting my oven at 350 Fahrenheit. So habang nandyan siya at nakaready na rin yung aking chicken para gusto ko kasi half cook para gusto ko pagdating ng yung chicken ko tamang-tama na pagkaluto pero hindi matigas. So then I have that and I'm gonna make my sauce. Kaya samahan niyo akong magluto. Let's fire up. So nandito na yung aking butter guys. I have butter here. Okay. Habang nakaano yung butter, magcha-chop ako dito ng aking potato. Malinis na ito. Binababad ko siya dahil ayaw ko siyang mangingitim. Gusto ko siya ng... Alright, guys. And then, chachap-chapin natin siya. Alright, habang ano ko yung aking butter, unsalted butter, pinalagay ko siya. So, chachap-chapin ko yung aking organic potato. Ayan. Ayan. Pag naganito na yung kanyang unsalted butter, guys, lalagay na natin si onion. Ayan. Tapos, iluluhit natin siya. Iluluhit natin siya. Ayan. Then, ipapakaramalize natin siya. Maybe another 2 minutes. Ayan, habang nagka-caramelize pa yung aking onion, chop ko muna si potato, guys. Ayan. Gusto ko kasi na I want it to be same identical. Yan. Yeah. Right there. Okay, nag-caramelize na guys. Nag-caramelize na yung aking yan na oh. Nag-caramelize na. So while they're caramelizing, I'll put all-purpose flour. I'm gonna put it in the luhit, guys. Luhit hanggang yeah. It looks like we need more butter. So I add more butter. The more butter, the more better. Hanggang maluto yung harina. Ayan. Mikos-mikos natin. Mikos. Pag ako nagluto, gusto ko malinis yung ating kitchen. Ayan. Ayan na. Habang luto na yung ano. So, I'm gonna put milk. Okay. Ayan. After some time, ready na yung aking tawag nito, yung aking oven. But I put more milk. More milk. Yeah. And then mikos-mikos. Yeah, mikos-mikos. Salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. Okay, perfect. Perfect. While I'm doing that one, I'm gonna put this, organize my potato. Okay guys, luto na yung aking sauce, yung aking homemade creamy sauce. So, ito na yung hot cook lang itong aking chicken. You can choose any kind of chicken. So, lagay ko na siya dyan. Lagay ko na yan. Tapos, yan. Ayan. Then, sauce. Then more potato. Alright guys. At na ano na yun guys. Lalagyan ko siya ng American cheese. Like American cheese. That one. And then Monterey cheese. Yan na guys, the cheese. Oven is ready. So, ganon. Okay, let's cook it. Lagay natin sa oven guys. Dali na. So, 350, 1 hour. Alright guys. 350, 1 hour. Let's go. See you in 1 hour.